Welcome back to another episode of the Car Show where we look at my model cars. You know, I got the model cars ready. I got them ready to talk to you about. Today, we're looking at the original pony car. Yes, that's right. We're looking at Mustangs. I pluralized it again, so yes, we're looking at Mustangs. Multiple Mustangs. So, let's look at some cars. Let's look at some Mustangs. Let's go! Let's go to the car show. We're all going to the car show. We're gonna take a look at some cars at the car show. Everybody come with me to the car show. Hey there, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Car Show where we take a look at my model cars. We walk around them, we talk about them, we look at them a little more in depth. Most of these cars are chosen by you, my subscribers, the viewers. You see something you like, we take a look at it. So if you see anything interesting, just let me know. We can make a video. So today, we got one from Jared B. Models. Jared, thank you for watching. Thank you for suggesting this. There will be a link to you down below. My big fat hand goes by there. There will be a link to Jared. Check out Jared. So today, we're going to be looking at Mustangs. So right out of the gate, I could show you a Hot Wheel Mustang I have sitting here. It's kind of cool. It is a 2008 GT. The Borla exhaust. That's kind of cool. All right. Also, as I'm looking, I also have a green one sitting here. And that looks like it in this particular case. Oh, there's a red one right below it too. But we are here to look at model cars. So I have four here we're going to look at. Four models of Mustangs. But we'll talk about five. So, if we're going to do this, let's do this in chronological order. Where we will look at the 1966 Shelby GT350H. This is the Hertz rental cars that were really, really cool that you can rent from Hertz. Nice black gold stripes. You can always tell them by the gold stripes. So, moving these off the... Oh, man, down. He's safe, don't worry. So, here is my 66 Shelby Hertz. Mine is done in a metallic green with the gold striping. This is a Revell kit. Revell kits are usually pretty dang good. Interior, two-tone. Gray and beige and white interior. There you go. Very nice dashboard on here. If you can see it. It's kind of sometimes hard to see. Real nice tire and wheel combo. I black washed them. The decal striping was a little hard to get around because it's got a lot of stuff to work around, especially on the hood here. With the hood scoop, if you look in the back, don't look in the back, but if you look in the back, you can see kind of curls up around there. And it's actually supposed to be striping up on the right under the window there, which I did not do. Again, they're really cool wheels, look really good. Probably should have a little paint on the center cabs. It's got the cool gold striping on the side. Underneath is a nice Revell model. Let's refocus the camera. I did did not paint the underneath of the interior tub. Didn't realize that was going to show like that. But got a yellow drive shaft, some red mufflers just to make it kind of cool, stand out. Like I always say, if you watch any of my videos, I like to add colors just because it leads to the eye. So the headers don't match up to the pipes there, but yeah, see, that's I don't even want to play with it because I don't want them to break off and I'll never get to it. So you have to make sure those set in better. So the 66 opening hood, if I remember correctly, it's got little hinges on the bottom there, but if I remember correctly, I did a little bit on the engine there. It's in a nice blue like you would have seen the Ford engines. There's the focus. It's got some decals on the inside there. Battery, nice auto light. I always do the interstate batteries because I like to have extra colors. So this being a Revell kit, these are really, really sharp. These are always really cool. Always recommend a good Revell kit. So the 66 GT 350 Hertz. If you don't have one, go pick one up. These are really nice. Let's put that off to the side. Now, after the 66, we're going to go to a 67 AMT GT 350 Shelby. I don't have this kit. I started building it a while back, and I never finished it, and I have no idea where it's at. So it's in a box somewhere, but I remember this here is a really good kit. I remember I was painting a metallic blue. I don't have it anymore. So I wouldn't mind building another one of these just to have it in my collection, because it is a good kit. Why I stopped, I don't know. So we go from a 67 to the 68 AMT kit. Let me put this on a green background here, because that way you can see this. Kind of blends into this table. I don't remember what color I did this. This is some brownish, sandish color. Now this kit here, I did not really enjoy. Not my best work. It was garbage. A lot of flash. You can even see around the wheels how the wheels don't even quite fit in there. A lot of flash on this kit. Flip it over. Oh, I did a little work on. Oh, look at the tire fell off. So get the tire back on there. The tire didn't go back on. The interior, it was one of the tub interiors, which I don't mind the tub interiors. That one was just all white. Some black, it looks like here. It's kind of hard to see. Like I said, this kit was flash everywhere. I think it came with the striping that goes down the top. I did not put it on, obviously. Got the cool, I can't get it open, the cool Shelby hood. Oh, it just pops right up. I didn't even paint the underneath it. And the engine. Doesn't even look like it's sitting in there right. You can see the firewall is kind of coming out way too far. That's even loose. The engine is there. Not focusing. There it goes. Didn't do a whole heck of a lot on it. This is the AMC kit. Now, my model skills have gotten a lot better, and I would love to do another one of these. I actually have one on order to do another one of these cars. 68, I should say, 68 Shelby. I have another one on order, so with my model skills the way they are now, I should be able to make this look a lot better. And that'll be a video I'll do later on down where I'll show the new one and this one and see if it really does come out better. So that's the 68. Goes with the 67 I didn't build, and there goes another wheel. And then, of course, the 66. 66 we'll put right here. Now we go to the 68. We'll go to the 1969 Boss 302 Mustang from Revell. This one has a slideshow from early December. This one has a slideshow on. This is a really cool kit. This bad boy here goes together perfect. I love this kit. There's a lot of videos online of this kit. Highly recommend you go check out those videos too. I'm not saying abandon my channel, but there's a lot of resources for this one. This was a Tamiya light blue, I believe, with a flat black hood. The decals, I remember, the side decals were a little bit of a pain in the butt because it is just thin striping. Goes around the back there. The engine. I have the hood sitting up on this one because for some reason the hood didn't fit too well, which is alright because I did a little work here under the engine. The white battery top with the yellow knobs on top. Nice decals for the radiator there and for the air cleaner. Interior I did straight up all black. And it's hard to see. It's not going to let you see it. Did it all black. Mustangs usually had a wood steering wheel, kind of a faux wood steering wheel. So I did that. Silver trim work in it. Doesn't really show up in the light. Underneath, just straight up black with silver. This kit goes together really, really well. Highly recommend it. You guys like the good Revell kits. Again, absolutely perfect. Give this one a shot. The Boss 302 Mustang. Take a look at that one. That one's good. Now, the other Mustang I did is an old MPC kit, the Boss 351 of the 71 Mustang. If I am not mistaken, I believe this kit has been recently re-released as the James Bond car. But I did this one here. I think these were from the 80s, these brown boxes. This kit is your typical MPC. Woo! There we go. Here's your typical MPC kit. I can't get it back on. Well, let's take a look at it since it's coming apart. Just standard chassis, the motor. You know, these MPC kits, I've always said how simple they are. And I really enjoyed the simpleness of them. Put a little, again, my headers don't match up to the exhaust pipes. Basic engine, not a lot of detail. The body, this one I painted in a purple. I believe it's a tester's purple. Let me put the phone down here for a second so I can put the body back on the chassis so you could see it. There we go. So when the body is on the chassis, it actually looks really sharp. That airfoil is really cool. There we go. Sits in there real nice. I think the interior is just a gray on this one. Gray, black dashboard. I think the silver was actually supposed to like wrap around, and then the purple was supposed to come up a little bit. Just like that. I just did the hood silver because it was cool. Now I did not paint the headlight or the turn signal lights on the car like the box shows. Just kept it blacked out. And this car's a really cool car for the collection. Kind of pan wheels on it, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what the official name is, but it's really cool. 71. I know there's a 73 MPC one out. I would also love to try that one. Never built it. So, here's my collection of Mustangs. The 71, the 66 Hertz, this 68 Cobra that's coming apart. If I can get the wheel back on. The 68 that, like I said, I have another one on order. We're going to do some before and afters of it with the new one. And then the beautiful Revell 69. If the hood stays open. Well, it's going to do what it's going to do for me. So, Jared B. Models. Thank you. And let's thank him for recommending today's cars. I don't have a big Mustang collection, but hey, everyone needs a Mustang in their model car collection. So that's it for this episode of the car show. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you are a subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I got a lot of cool stuff coming up in the future. A lot of cool builds, a lot of cool ideas for the channel. So everybody, wherever you're at, stay safe, love everyone, and I'll see you next time at another episode of The Car Show.